Hi, welcome back at the Just Sawdust workshop. I'm reframing an old painting from a friend. Her father made it in, I don't know, the 50s or even earlier. And while I'm waiting for this glue to dry, I took something else from the attic, and it's this. It looked like a mirror, but it isn't a mirror. Well, it is a really old, nice mirror, French. But this used to be in a cabinet. This is sawn off, and somebody put really big screws through it, and then put these brackets on just to hide those big screws where it was in the wall. Now I want to just make a little nice mirror out of it, and I'm wondering whether I will just cut it off here and somehow put something so that it's like a cross, or get this top off and put it on here. I don't know yet. You know, take these down, put them here. I just gotta find a way to cover these holes. Yeah. Just make it into a little mirror that is actually a nice antique one to hang on the wall. Yeah, gonna have to figure this out. Let's see. nice little mirror. Get this thing off. And the silver you put on the inside because of the reflection, otherwise it reflects against the wood. So I always liked in my former days as a frame maker to put silver or gold on the inside. When it's a gold frame, of course you use gold, but with a wooden frame it's nice to put a little silver inlet in there so that the glass reflects, the mirror reflects that silver and not the inside of the frame. And these are just like on other things that I use, the old candy bar wraps, like chocolate bar aluminium foily wraps, but they are shiny on one side, so you can use that as silver leaf. I mean, who would tell the difference when it's inside a mirror? So yeah, turned out nice, and I think this is a nice little mirror you can actually use. It's usable, it's not too big, it's easy to hang. I think that came out really nice from that old stuff. I'm gonna bring the frame to my friend. Hope she's happy with that it's now in the right size and secured. And the mirror is going to in my little showroom. Maybe someone wants to buy it, and that means I can get something else from the attic to start recycling. Slowly we're getting into a process that it's actually working. For now, at the logo.